and welcome. It's a great delight to immerse ourselves in a book once in a while, and Kindle offers a great choice. But how do you buy a book for a Kindle from Amazon? Hello everyone, welcome to One to Step. In today's video, we're gonna see how we can buy Kindle books on Amazon. If you are habituated with using Amazon app on your phone, well, unfortunately, Kindle books cannot be bought from Amazon app. Instead, you're gonna need to use Amazon website. So let's get started. So it's pretty straightforward. You're just gonna need to go to search bar and search for the book you want to search or buy. All right. Now I'm gonna say the book called I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings by Maya Angelou. If we select it, in the search results, it is all kinds of books related to this title. Alright, this is mass market paperback, this is Kindle edition. So let's select Kindle, and then this is Kindle edition. So in order to buy, we just need to click buy now with one click. Select it. Once we fill in all the card details and add your card and follow the prompt, we will have the book added to our Kindle library. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section. Until next time, bye-bye.